my dear friends, and welcome to day 4 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. Can you believe it? You have already completed 3 full days of practice. That means you are not just a learner anymore. You are becoming a doer. You are someone who shows up, who practices, and who keeps moving forward. And that is what success is made of. Now, let's talk about something very close to our hearts. Food. Tell me honestly, who here doesn't love food? We all do. Food is not just something we eat, it's something that connects us. We share food with our families, with our friends, at parties, at weddings, even when we travel. Food is everywhere, and conversations about food happen every single day. Imagine this. You go to a restaurant, the waiter comes to your table, and you want to order confidently in English. Or you are traveling to another country, standing in line at a cafe, and you want to say, "Can I have a coffee, please?" without any hesitation. How amazing would that feel? That's exactly why today's session is so important. Today we are going to practice 30 English sentences about food, cooking, and eating out. These are not random sentences. These are sentences you will use in real life again and again. And the best part? We are going to practice them with the shadowing method. Do you remember what shadowing is? It's very simple. You listen to me. You repeat after me. You speak loudly with confidence. That's it. Easy, right? But so powerful. Because when you do this, you train your ears, your mouth, and your brain at the same time. That's how fluency is built. And let me remind you, shadowing is not just about English. It's about energy. When you speak loudly, when you repeat again and again, you are also building confidence. You are telling yourself, "Yes, I can speak. Yes, I can do this." So my friends, don't leave this video halfway. Watch until the end, because in the last part I will give you a powerful practice sentence as homework. And if you write it in the comments, you will not just practice, you will also inspire others in this challenge. Are you ready? Stay with me for the full practice. Don't just listen quietly. Speak with me. Repeat with energy. Because if you give me your 100% today, I promise you, you will walk away with more confidence than you had yesterday. So let's begin our day 4 practice together. Repeat each sentence after me. Speak loudly. Believe in yourself. Let's go. Sentence 1. I'm hungry. I am hungry. Sentence 2. I like rice. I like rice. Great start. Easy and clear. Sentence 3. I want some water, please. I want some water, please. Sentence 4. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? Well done. You sound polite and confident. Sentence 5. I would like a sandwich. I would like a sandwich. Sentence 6. This soup is hot. This soup is hot. Excellent. Short and powerful sentences. Sentence 7. I like sweet food. I like sweet food. Sentence 8. I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Great job. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Sentence 9. I can cook pasta. I can cook pasta. Sentence 10. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Wonderful. Now your English is getting more personal. Sentence 11. I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day. Sentence 12. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. Fantastic. These are real daily life sentences. Sentence 13. Could you bring me the bill, please? Could you bring me the bill, please? Sentence 14. How much is this burger? How much is this burger? Wow, you're speaking like you're in a restaurant right now. Sentence 15. I like to eat with my family. I like to eat with my family. Sentence 16. Cooking at home saves money. Cooking at home saves money. Yes, these sentences are becoming stronger and more useful. Sentence 17. This cake tastes delicious. This cake tastes delicious. Sentence 18. The food smells good. The food smells good. Brilliant! Keep your energy up. Sentence 19. Can I get a glass of juice? Can I get a glass of juice? Sentence 20. I am full, thank you. I am full, thank you. Amazing! You've already completed 20 sentences today. Great job, my friends. You just practiced 20 real sentences about food and eating. Do you realize what's happening here? You are preparing yourself for real conversations in restaurants, at home, with friends, even while traveling abroad. Remember, every time you repeat, you're training your brain and mouth to work together. This is how fluency is built, step by step, sentence by sentence. So don't stop now. Let's finish strong with the last 10 sentences. Sentence 21. I want to try new food. I want to try new food. Sentence 22. I am learning to cook. I am learning to cook. Well done! Learning never stops. Sentence 23. May I have some salt, please? May I have some salt, please? Sentence 24. This restaurant is busy. This restaurant is busy. Perfect. Real-life English at its best. Sentence 25. I enjoy eating healthy food. I enjoy eating healthy food. Sentence 26. Please give me some more bread. Please give me some more bread. Excellent. You're sounding confident. Sentence 27. I am waiting for my order. I am waiting for my order. Sentence 28. The waiter is very kind. The waiter is very kind. Great! These sentences prepare you for polite conversation. Sentence 29. I like to try different cuisines. I like to try different cuisines. Sentence 30. English is my food for success. English is my food for success. Wow, you finished all 30 sentences. That's amazing progress. Bravo, my dear students! You have now completed day 4 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. You just practiced 30 powerful sentences about food, cooking, and eating out. Take a moment to feel proud of yourself. Today, you didn't just practice English. You practiced confidence, politeness, and real-life conversations. Next time you go to a cafe, a restaurant, or even cook at home, you will have the words ready. You will not feel shy. You will not feel stuck. You will speak naturally. Remember, English is like food for your future. Just as you eat food every day to stay strong, you need to practice English every day to build your confidence and fluency. And here's the good news. You are already doing it. You are feeding your success every single day. Now, I have some pronunciation words for you. These are common words connected to food, but many learners say them incorrectly. Let's practice them together. Repeat after me. Restaurant, restaurant. Not restaurant. 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 Vegetable, vegetable. Not vegetable. 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 Breakfast, breakfast. Not breakfast. 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 Dessert, dessert. Not dessert. 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 Juice, juice. Not Jewess. Juice. Juice. Sandwich, sandwich. Not sandwich. 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 Pizza, pizza, not pizza. Pizza, pizza. Chocolate, chocolate, not chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Salad, salad, not salad. Salad, salad. Bill, bill, short, clear. Bill, bill. Fantastic! You just improved your pronunciation of 10 useful food words. These will help you sound clear and natural when you speak. My friends, you are doing something incredible. Most people just dream of speaking English, but you are actually practicing it every single day. Remember, small daily practice creates big results. Now, here is your homework. Go to the comments and write this sentence. English is my food for success. Why? Because when you write it, you are not just practicing. You are declaring your mindset. You are telling the world, I am growing, I am improving, and I will succeed. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss Day 5 tomorrow. We are going to continue this exciting journey step by step, and each day will make you more confident. Be proud of yourself today. Smile and say with me one last time, I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. See you tomorrow, my dear students. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining.